work video, you seen where I had started sanding and priming the 240. I had started working on the quarter panel so I could get the wide body quarters on, but I never did film it. I had fixed the holes so that I could re-drill them and replace them. Here I am just sizing it up, seeing where I needed to put it, and then I got started on sanding it and getting the design off of the wide body quarter. Once I had the quarter panel set where I wanted, I went ahead and drilled the holes out, made sure the quarter panel was already covered in primer so I didn't have to worry about any rusting. Here's how it looks so far before I put the quarter panels on. Once I had the quarter panel where I needed, I just held it up with some masking tape and got to work putting the rivets in. Here I am I started on the back first, and then I just made my way around, being careful around the window because I'm pretty sure the last person that had it accidentally busted the window out putting the quarter panel on, so I was extra careful with that. This is my first time riveting, and a couple of the places were pretty tough. Once I had all the rivets in that I needed, I went ahead and started priming the quarter panel and got it all covered up so nothing will rust, and it's ready to go. But when I paint, all I have to do is sand it again. This is me spraying it down with some filler primer. It ended up looking great. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to keep up with the build, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!